Hi, this is John Matthews with Adventure Waits World Travel, and we just arrived for our first stay at Beach Club DVC Villas, and we're in a deluxe studio villa, so let's take a look. So as you come into the unit, it looks beautiful. Just inside the door we have a closet. We got lots of extra bedding, a luggage rack, and then a vacuum cleaner and ironing board. So everything you would need during your stay. Got a nice big bathroom. This is an accessible room. So you can see you have accessible toilet, plenty of towels, a nice vanity, great big mirror and a makeup mirror, and a big walk-in accessible shower with H2O amenities and a big shower head, rain shower head, and a wand. And there's a little bench there if it's needed during the shower since it's accessible. We also have a mini kitchenette with a microwave, a mini fridge, a coffee machine, a sink, and we got some utensils, plates and cups and forks, and a toaster. Very nice. Got great big flat screen TV and a nice credenza with a little table and 2 chairs. And I think this is also a day bed. Let's see if I can figure out how to make it work. Okay, and this is a day bed. I figured out how to open it. So there are these little buttons here that you push to unlock it, and then it folds down, which is very clever. And the table folds underneath it and serves as a stand to hold the daybed. So there you go. A 5th bed in the room with Donald in the background taking a nap on the beach. And you got a door for an adjoining room. So I think probably next door is a 1-bedroom, so you could make it, it's a 2-bedroom lock-off. You have a 1-bedroom connecting to a deluxe studio. And we have a nice big queen-size bed with another mirror, and we have a sofa, which also folds out into a bed, a double bed. So you can see the Disney double bed fold out. A nice little coffee table that's also on wheels, so you can move it around and has extra storage. And we have a nice deck off of the room. Beautiful deck with 2 chairs and a little table and a view of the DVC pool. So very nice. And a view of the rest of the DVC villas as well. So beautiful room. It's great to be here. So when you're ready to book your next Disney World vacation or anywhere else, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.